Hey folks, it's WeFire88 here, back with another fan video, and what we're looking at here today is this 56-inch Nutone Proline 2 ceiling fan. I got this out of a warehouse renovation project that I was working on a few years ago. This thing was getting framed around, like they were building more office spaces in this warehouse, and this fan was installed in the warehouse. There was 3 of these dead center on the ceiling, and this one was getting framed around, you know, because they were building more offices, like a second floor office space. And this was getting framed around, and obviously it had to be removed, so I was the candidate of taking it down. This fan is from August, I believe, of '99. And this, as you guys can tell, this side compared to this side, you see this? How there's all that spray foam on top? And then there's spray foam on here. Yeah, these blades were installed upside down. Like, so this side was facing down. And what's really stupid is that the other 2 Prolines are like that. And y'all might be wondering why I didn't fix those ones, because I ran out of time at the project and I never was able to fix those ones and correct them. I've always loved how these look. They're not the greatest industrials money can buy, but they get the job done. But yeah, all of this stuff you're seeing on here is spray foam. It's like caked right on there. That ain't coming off. Also, something I love about these Prolines is how slim these canopies are. Also, how slim that mounting bracket is. That thing is slim. But yeah, there's your tag. Fan's not in bad shape. It's just covered in spray foam, which kind of sucks. But without any further ado, here, let's demonstrate it, shall we? For testing purposes, I have it on a Fastco 4-speed control that's non-capacitor based. So here we go. Here's low. Alright, so it's still catching up to speed. I just ran upstairs to get my iPad because I do have pictures of this fan originally installed in its original location. Let's see if I can find them here. I believe I had to change out the capacitor in this thing because it obviously has gone bad over time. But again, I've always liked how these look, and I feel like these have a catastrophic these things have an issue where they will separate right where the lower canopy is, where the motor will like fall down or something, because I remember seeing a video of these installed in a hardware store, and there was a few of them where it was just the lower canopy and down rod, no fan part, like, at all. I just think that's funny and weird that they do that, but I feel like that's a failure for these. My goodness, this is far the way. Okay, so we went past it. Oh, yep, here we go. That's this Proline. See what I mean? It's just getting framed right around. This is the same exact Proline. And then those are the other 2 that I wasn't able to fix. But yeah, thought you guys might like that, but that's the same. That is this Proline in the picture you're seeing here. I'm making a video! Fucking dad. Medium low? It is way too early for that. Get me fired up. I think these are great fans. I mean, they're all right. They're middle of the road. They're good for their money, whatever. Now I'm getting a good breeze from it. I will say the way that these things were installed before with having the blades upside down, I could barely feel any air movement off of these. But now that I have this one, you know, with its blades on correctly, it actually moves air. I'd really like to meet the dumb motherfucker that put these the blades on wrong. The dumbass electrician. Alright, take it up to medium high. Honestly, when I first got this fan, this is as fast as it went right here. It never really went that fast until I changed out the capacitor. Also, I believe these Prolines are made by Alaska, if I'm not mistaken. I feel like I saw a video on one of these by Charles S. of him filming a brown one a while back ago, and I guess they're made by Alaska, which is pretty cool. I had no idea. Take her up to high. So as you guys can see, it's not like a powerhouse, like it doesn't whip like the freaking Silverline does, but it's moving quite a bit of air. Honestly, I don't know why collectors shit on these things as bad as they do. I mean, if you're looking for a cheaper end industrial, this is the one for you. Oh yeah. Getting a little bit of air back here, nothing crazy. Get a close up of it now. Yeah, this thing did not run like this when I first got it. It was much slower. I've always liked how these motors look. Also, I must say, this thing is very slim. Like, it has a very slim look to it. But yeah, anyway, let's carry on to spin down. Spin down in 3, 2, 1. Not bad fans. I do understand that they run a little slow on high, but I personally have a soft spot for these Proline 2s. You really don't see too many of these anymore. Like, I used to see these everywhere when I was a kid, but not anymore. That looks better. Had all that sunlight coming in. Sunlight's great and all, but for filming purposes, I like to just use the lights that I have down here. Must say it's got good bearings. I don't hear it hissing or nothing. But yeah. So the reason these have spray foam on the blades and on top of the motor is because the ceiling of this warehouse was all covered in spray foam, and they did not take any of the light fixtures down, any of the fans down. They just left everything up and spray foamed it. But whatever they got to do to make their building warm, I guess. It's got a little flag on it, you can see it. Oh, and there's another one. There, got it. Little tails coming off the blades, sticking to the spray foam. Yeah, you see that on camera? Alrighty, so the fan has now come to a complete stop. I will end the video here, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.